Hello.
My dad is gonna be the teacher today. He is gonna teach us how to draw a flamingo.
Yep, you got the hiccups. Maybe we should have our flamingo have hiccups. Now we got that out of the way, we are ready to go.
Right here?
Yep. And now, this is going to be his beak. They have kind of loopy beaks, so out, and then way down, and then way over, and way back.
I'm going to draw my pokey.
A little pokey. Right on. Oh, that's good. That's awesome. Now, because their beaks have a bottom part and a top part, we have to do a line to separate it. So from the bottom all the way back to the middle of that line. Yep. And let's do two dots for their little nose holes. And did you know that flamingos kind of have a black tip to their beak? I'm not sure why, but it's kind of neat. Yeah, let's color that in. So let's do a nice big eye. Kind of a bulgy.
Can I draw the eye?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll draw the highlight. We're going to trace the circle.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw another highlight at the bottom.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw color in the back.
Awesome. You should take over the lesson every time we do eyes.
Yeah.
I love your eyes.
I'm going to take over the world.
Yes, you are. Okay, so right at the top of the line, right here, their head, we're going to go up. And let's go like this. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. And then at the bottom, this isn't going to go all the way around. It's going to go like this. Right to about there.
Right here?
Yep. And then right underneath this feather, we're going to have it come down and come almost to that line. Their necks are loopy. Thing about flamingos, everything about them is loopy and twisty. Their beak is loopy, and check out their neck.
Oh, look how long my neck is.
Yeah, imagine our necks were loopy too.
Oh,
It's like, hey, I'm a flamingo. Let's see your flamingo impression. Yep. Okay, let's do their loopy. So right under here, we're going to do a little little line. And then from there, it's going to come out, loopy, and then back around. So that was the one side of the neck. We got to do the other side. So this line, we're going to start, and we're going to follow the other line all the way down, follow that loop all the way.
Oh.
Because it's got a long, goofy neck. Like it. And now we're going to have a line that goes up like this. And then we're going to do his wing. So let's do from here, like a line like that.
From here?
Yep. And then we're going to go feather, 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 loop.
Feather, 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 loop.
Good one. And then back here, we're going to draw a circle kind of going back to the feather. And then if you have any parts between the feather, you can continue that line. And then back here, we need a little bit of a tail feather. So like 1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
And now he's got, do you have one arm or two?
2.
So flamingos also have 2 arms, but they're wings. So we've got to draw the other wing behind his body.
I do. Oop, oop.
Feather, feather, feather. Now, like straight under his body, Zola, draw one little wave like that.
Right here, starting?
Yeah. Okay. Now, at the top here, we're going to draw part of his leg, and it goes down to about there. Now we're going to have a little bony, little bulgy little knee. So a little half circle on that side. And a little half circle on this side. And we're going to follow this line right back up. And let's do a little shadow under his body, just right there. And now, right under the knee, we're going to follow that line all the way down into the water on both sides. Now, just like flamingos' loopy necks, just like flamingos' loopy beaks, they also have kind of loopy feet. So, let's draw another foot. It goes back here. So at an angle, we're going to draw 2 lines. Back to a little bit of a circle. And then we're going to draw from there. We're going to draw up and across.
It goes across.
Yep. It can be in front or behind the other leg. Your choice.
In front.
Okay. And then one more for the other side of the leg, all the way back to that loopy knee. And now, okay, what should he be holding in his leg?
A fish.
A fish? Okay.
I can do it. So you do the nails first.
Okay, we'll do the nails first.
Then
between the nails. Yep. And do the little fish in his paw. Do flamingos have paws?
Oh, his foot.
Foot. Little eyeball. I am going to. You already kind of did the rest of the ways. I'm going to do the rest of the ways on the all the way across. And now let's sign our name. Sign your name. And what are we going to name this one?
Wave pool.
What, wave pool? Cool.
Just like the swimming pool.
Okay, do you want to say thank you to everybody?
Thank you for listening in your classroom or at home with your family.
You did a great job. See you next time.
Goodbye.